Hey guys, GeekJ here, and today I'm going to show you how to install OBS Studio like a boss. So the first step would be to actually download OBS Studio. So we're going to move on to our browser and actually do that. I will have a link in the description for obsproject.com, and once you go into the official page, just move to the top right and you will see a download section. Just click on that and just download the zip file. Once our file is downloaded, we need to extract it. You can use any extraction program of your liking, or even Windows, as Windows 11 has 7-zip and WinRAR support built in since 23H2. I will be using 7-zip. So I'm going to right click on the zip file. I'm going to go to 7-zip and I'm going to select extract to OBS Studio 31. So it's going to create a little folder containing the subfolders of this zip file. So if we navigate to this folder, you will see we have a bin, a data, and an OBS plugins folder. So we are going to be mostly interested into this bin folder. So navigate into this. There's going to be a 64-bit folder. We're going to navigate into this as well. And in here, we will locate obs64.exe. We will right click, then select more options, send to desktop, and it will create a shortcut. So now we have a shortcut of obs64.exe on our desktop. What we need to do is right click on this shortcut, select properties. In the target window, go to the end of the text. We need to hit space once, then we add 2 dashes, and then without any spaces, we will start typing portable. And you can just click on OK. So now, if we run OBS Studio from this shortcut, it will be running in portable mode. And as you can see, it says OBS 31 portable mode. The profile is untitled and the scenes are untitled. You can take these steps if you need to. I will just press cancel. And after we've done this, we can exit out. And if we go back to the original folder, let's say we completely exit out of this and we just open up our folder, you will see we have a new folder created in here called config. So this is the biggest benefit of running OBS in portable mode. This means that OBS is running independently on this system. So if we need to back up our OBS setup, we could just take this folder and copy it to a different drive or a USB drive or on the cloud, and everything will carry over. All your settings will carry over. So maybe it's a pretty good idea to put any of the clips you're using, the masks, the images you create, just put everything in this folder. Maybe the size will be kind of, on the larger side if you use a lot of graphics and stuff. But the benefit is you can just carry everything regarding your OBS setup into one singular folder, and you can have it as a backup, or if you need to travel and stream from a different machine, or maybe you have a new PC or a laptop that you need to set up OBS and start streaming from there, you just copy this folder over and you're probably going to be done. It's just going to work. You can make it even easier if you put this OBS Studio 31.00 folder into your C drive.
by
By moving the whole folder into your C drive, you don't even have to worry about different usernames in different machines, because all the paths that will be used are just going to be C drive and then this folder. And as you can see, the shortcut still works. And to demonstrate that this OBS Studio is running in portable mode, we're going to navigate into this folder, Config, OBS Studio, Basic, Scenes. As you can see, we only have the default scene called Untitled. We're going to run this portable version of OBS Studio. We're going to go into Scene Selection and we're going to select New. We're going to name this GeekJ, or GeekJ obviously, underscore test underscore scene. We're going to press OK and let's add a color source. And we're going to name it magenta. Color source magenta. And we're going to select a color. I'm going to go here for a pure magenta color. Click OK. So we have this scene with this source. I'm going to exit out of OBS. And as you can see here, these scenes have been created into the config folder inside our portable OBS Studio folder. So, I really hope you enjoyed this one. Hopefully you will reap the benefits of running OBS Studio in portable mode like a boss. Basically, you won't need to worry anymore about how to move the whole installation and all of your setup of OBS Studio into a different machine, or how to back up everything. Just have everything into one singular folder, then you can just take backups of this folder and save them into USB portable drives, a different machine, or even on the cloud. So whatever happens, you will always have everything you need to start streaming from anywhere. So thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and enable all notifications if you want to get notified for the next video in my video series for streaming and probably audio and video tutorials. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Bye-bye. Bye.